Sustainable cooking and enjoyment. The Matera kitchen front by Schueller not only surprises with silky soft fronts, 71% of the fully recyclable front material comes from the circular economy and thus contributes to climate protection. Thanks to its anti-fingerprint coating, annoying fingerprints are kept to a minimum. Modern water treatment systems make drink crates and bottles a thing of the past. Still, sparkling, cold or boiling, whatever drink you fancy, it's all on tap at all times. The specially designed base unit provides plenty of space for installing such a system. Our Oceanics handles in pebble gray perfectly match the fronts and interiors. Made of recycled plastic recovered from the sea, they are an important step towards cleaner oceans. Drawers sparkle with their Organic Q interior fittings, made from the fast-growing raw materials hemp and kenaf. They not only look good, but they're also good for the environment. Urban gardening brings greenery into the kitchen. The built-in lighting in the panel garden enables you to grow fresh mint for your tea. Homegrown herbs save you a trip to the shops and bring the garden into your kitchen.